This is a quick demo of GitHub Actions debugging. We start with VS Code open in our repository. We will use the GitHub Actions extension to check on our latest workflow run. We see that this step failed, so we'll use the GitHub Actions debugger to fix the issue. First, we'll go to the failed job and click on Rerun and Debug Job. This will take us to an active debugging session in our workflow file, with the debugger paused before the first step. We'll set a breakpoint in the task that's failing and hit Continue to run the first 2 steps and hit the breakpoint. Here, I have access to the variables, call stack, and watch windows as I would expect in any normal debugging session. I can see that the step simply checks if a file exists. The action extension allows me to navigate the remote file system to see if this file exists, and I quickly notice that it's not where it's supposed to be. I now click on Step over to run to this step and see how the state changes. I can also click on Reverse to do time travel debugging and return to my first checkpoint at the beginning of the file. I can now open the script that creates the file and attempt to correct the issue, all in the remote file system where my workflow is running. The script just needs to be updated to place the file in the expected location. I can now go and advance through the steps and see how it affects the state of the runner as well as the file system, and I can verify the file is now being created in the right place. This debugger adapter for Actions is auditable and offers fine control over what commands are allowed. As an example, we've blocked the ability to step into this debugging session, and our audit log tells us when a user attempts this operation. Here, we attempt to step into and see that the operation is denied by our DAT proxy. We're working on debugging adapters to step into Bash and PowerShell scripts, but that will have to wait for the next demo. We hope you enjoy this new iteration of GitHub Actions debugging.